Timeless, colossal, unmatched. The 1961 Kenworth W truck stands as a monument to American engineering excellence where vintage grit met purposeful design. Born in an era when trucking wasn't just a job but a journey, this beast introduced a commanding long-nose profile that instantly set it apart. Steel and spirit merged in its sharply contoured hood and square fenders, a shape that would influence generations of rigs. The original 1961 W900A was crafted to conquer distance. Fitted with Cummins and Detroit diesel options that pumped out between 250 to 350 horsepower. Unheard of torque in its time. Its aluminum cab was a revolutionary choice, shedding weight without losing backbone. If you're a true lover of legendary machines and modern restorations, we invite you to ride along and be part of our growing gear community. Subscribe now and drop your favorite truck in the comments. Through the decades, the W900A went through methodical yet major evolutions. In 1965, Kenworth added a setback front axle option, enhancing maneuverability in tight urban docks. The 1972 refresh introduced an upgraded interior, reshaped sleeper cabs, and enhanced suspension systems for long-haul comfort. By 1982, the W900A was succeeded by the W900B, but not without leaving behind a trail of loyalty and fame. The W900A became a cultural icon, featured in films, embraced by custom builders, and still roaming highways as lovingly preserved classics. Its unmistakable silhouette is often spotted with chromed-out upgrades, stretched frames, and modernized air ride systems, testament to its adaptability. Modern enthusiasts often swap in Cummins, X15s or Caterpillar C15s, pushing outputs beyond 600 horsepower, making these old-school rigs trackworthy in both form and performance. Prices for a fully restored or custom 1961 W900 now range anywhere from $85,000 to over $200,000, depending on originality, build quality, and rarity of parts used, placing it head-to-head with newer premium trucks in terms of investment value. Compared to modern models like the 2025 Kenworth W900A, which features digital dash clusters and emissions tech, the 1961 W900A offers visceral simplicity and mechanical connection. Often lost in today's trucking landscape, this isn't just a truck, it's a piece of living history roaring with nostalgia, enhanced by innovation, and celebrated across generations of drivers and collectors alike.